you ready? Here
Going in.
Light. Can you open up? For the
Get the hands in there too.
onto her hand.
Yeah, baby.
Once it goes in the mouth.
Yeah, is that good?
That helps her
huh?
suck it down.
Is that good? You're gonna get it all over.
Oh,
Maybe we should lose the blanket.
Well, then she'll fall over. Look.
Oh.
I can just wash the blanket.
Suck it off those hands.
Lick off your fingers.
Is that yummy?
Okay, wait. You want more? Gotta move the hands. She's like, my hands taste really good.
Like that pasta?
Chubby baby.
You want to try one of these?
Hey, you're eating this. Actually, not too bad. Okay, you gotta take the fingers out for a second. Open it up.
No, you don't want this?
Give her a minute to get it down a bit. She's doing good. Chubby baby.
Maybe we should have done this in the bathtub.
During bath time. She's getting it.
I like this.
Ooh. Yummy. Yummy, baby. Is that good stuff?
You like it, don't you?
Is it yummy?
Are you eating it?
Open up. Oh.
It's funny how
Gotta
she
get
puts
the
her
hands in there.
there.
Okay, open up.
She loves those hands.
Makes her suck.
The whole fist is going in there.
Yeah, she's doing better
The whole
than I
fist.
thought she might.
Up, get the chin. Up, she got it.
She knows how to chew.
Yeah, baby. Yay!
Aww.
Going on the
Yay,
Oh, you're eating fast, bud.
Yay!
He's like jamming like pasta in his mouth, like
Let's
in
see.
her mouth now.
Oh, you got the whole spoon in your hand, huh?
Good job, baby.
Don't give me a wet